Greetings. A few years ago we bought this excavator. We fixed it up, and my son had an interest in that kind of work, so we worked together to start a business for him. Soon enough there were certain things we couldn't reach, so we built this extension boom to get more reach. The next thing you know, we're digging drainage ditches. The following is the story of how we got connected with IDIGBEST.
Here's the program. We start out with ditches that look like this. Then we end up with ditches that look like this. I got on the internet and I learned about IDIGBEST. I got in touch with Phil. I bought a system. This is the screen. I installed everything myself. It wasn't that difficult. Phil's very helpful. This is a profile that I made, that shape. And there's my bucket. I like to dig on this page. That's my full profile. There's my bucket. I'm gonna make a swipe and show you how it works. It's a dry run. I've already made this cut, but I'm gonna lower my bucket. Push the switch. The bucket follows the contour. My profile. And I get a perfect shaped ditch.
In conclusion, I'd like to say this. We couldn't get results like this before we had this system. When we have a ditch with minimal grade, we put the laser to it. When we dig in pipes, we don't need a laser or stick man or anything. We just pull up to the bank, we reach down and touch the spot where we'd like to see the pipe come out. We swing around and check the intake in. If we like the depth, we set a grade, and boom, we dig a trench, put the pipe in. It's so easy. When we started with this, Phil didn't have anyone doing anything exactly like what we were doing. A few phone calls back and forth. Next thing you know, he revised the system and made it work for us specifically, and it works great. Thanks, Phil, for making such a great system.